finished watching the Cars 3. It was very, very good because
what would you rate it? 10 out of, what would you rate it? 10?
wait, 1 out of 10.
Yeah, 1 out of 10. That's what I mean.
1,000.
Okay, that's way beyond. Can you do this?
You can do that. This is easy. I can only do this. Just put my hand in.
You can do it anyway. Right, well, let's get on with the video.
So the movie is about. No spoiler alerts. Watch it by yourself. Click off this video if you don't want me to spoil all of your I'm not a loser. I can see from the camera. So okay. So the movie is good. Okay, now I'm gonna do the spoiler alert. Click off this video or skip it. Skip the part.
How many minutes should we skip it?
So like skip to skip to like 3 minutes. Skip to like 1 minute and 1 minute and
40 seconds.
1 minute and 58 seconds. So it's basically about a car, another car was actually beating the red car, which is called, what's the car called?
What, like
The red
McQueen?
car.
Like the McQueen.
Yeah, a car was beating Lightning McQueen, so that's what it's about. That was the story.
That's what it is all about.
Yeah.
But
Okay, see?
we're not
it's a 158.
We're not telling you anything else, because you need to watch it yourself.
Yeah,
You can see my finger. Hello.
forget that, I'm saying everything. So click off this video if you don't want me to say it. So basically there's there's a car called Storm something, and it's beating Lightning McQueen, which is like the main person in the movie. So and it's
After
literally,
this, we do a prank on one of your family.
I don't know if you can prank anyone. So
Big prank, big brother.
okay, so and it's beaten, and then he meets like a trainer, which is yellow or green. I'm colorblind. I don't know.
Yellow.
Okay, yellow, and
You're not
and
colorblind.
she wants to
What
become
colour-
a racer, but she's a
What colour?
trainer.
What colour's this? Orange. You're not colourblind.
No, that's black. So and she's trying to be a racer. So Lightning McQueen helps her, and then Lightning McQueen finds like his old trainer, which was like 58 years ago. He was still alive. There you go.
No,
And then his trainer teaches the trainer that is Lightning McQueen's new trainer, tongue twister, how to drive. And actually Lightning McQueen is worse at driving, so he teaches Lightning McQueen too.
you're not explaining it enough. Boring.
So yeah, and then Lightning McQueen goes faster, but still not fast enough to beat the new guy, Storm. So then the trainer actually became a racer. So she won.
Past
She
and
won the
she
whole
won.
thing. Yeah, bye guys.